Are you tired of getting charged for Xbox Game Pass when you don't even use it? You're not alone. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel your Xbox Game Pass so that you could save money and feel in control again. So sometimes we sign up for things that we don't really need, we forget about them, and then surprise, another charge shows up. Don't worry, canceling Xbox Game Pass is easy. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So first you're going to go to the Microsoft website and you're going to sign into your account. So you make sure that it's the same one linked to your Xbox. Next, you're going to click on Services and Subscriptions. This is where all your payments and plans are listed. All right? Now, you're going to look for Xbox Game Pass. So once you find it, you're going to click Manage. This is the secret spot where changes happen. All right? So then you're going to click Cancel Subscription. It's going to ask if you're sure. You say, yes, you are. Then last thing is you're going to make sure that you pick Turn Off Recurring Billing so that you don't get charged again. All right? So now you did it. You're free. All right? And if this helped you, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And if you want eternal life, Jesus is the only way. Ciao.